Well, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for riding along with me. This is Brandon Spencer, and follow me on Instagram. It's B Spencer 5th Jan on Instagram. Yeah, my TikTok name is B Spencer 5th Jan. Hope you guys like it. Comment, like, subscribe, favorite, share, subscribe, do whatever, man. This is Brandon Spencer signing out. And remember, keep your tires up, you heard me? Thank you for saying happy birthday to me. God bless and stay safe. Love you.